All right, I have to record this video twice because I am incapable of making a video. But you probably clicked on this video because you're having trouble with Premiere and your DAC. My personal DAC is a Scarlette, and what I'm talking about is if, let's go to a clip that fucking has, no, we're just gonna make one. Okay, audio channels. Ah, shit. Okay. That should work. All right, cool. So say you have say you have a clip and it's only recorded on one channel and the other channel is blank, and you would expect to only hear that from one ear cup, which is natural. So typically you would go and click audio channels and then put them on both, and then you would have dual channel audio, kind of. It's still mono, not really. But if you do that and it's still like messing up and it's only playing through one ear cup, it's your DAC, yeah. So you would go to File, Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware, and then change your Thunderbolt ASIO to USB ASIO. That's just the default. The way it's connected is through Thunderbolt, and you need to switch it for USB for this to work properly so you can hear audio through both ear cups. And a preview. You might also try to fix it by going to audio channels, preview left and right. Yeah, that shit doesn't work either. So just go, don't mess with the channels. If you know you have your channels right, then go to Preferences, Audio Hardware, and change Thunderbolt to USB, and then everything will be fine from there. If you found this helpful, cool. Good luck editing. If this was not the solution for you, I'm sorry. Probably got a long journey ahead. If you made it to me and you didn't find the solution, dang. Okay, thanks and bye.